Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download and install Inzio on your Android phone step by step. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Inzio. So once you search for the Inzio game, you are going to find it over here. So you need to tap on the Inzio game, then tap on the option of install and get it on your device. Once the installation is completed, you can just simply start playing the game. Now, if you don't see the application on the Play Store, this means that it is not released in your country. So if that's the case, you can just simply go to the official website of Inzio and you can try downloading the APK file from there. From there too, you can install the game. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about it, you can just let me know that in the comment section below too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.